Hi everybody, this is Every Gamer to TV. Today I'm playing Marble Mania. New year, new start, new everything. Right now this is also a new game. Like I said, new everything. Yay! Alright. In the previous update it was a different map. Previously it was a different map which was like the autumn one, right? Yeah, it was an autumn update. So in the autumn update you get to experience new maps because of course it's a new map. Like, come on man. Who doesn't want to Who wants to miss a new map when they haven't even launched it yet? Oh man, I missed it. Yay! Yay! Oh, 200 mph. That's fine by me. Okay, now where was it? Ah, over there. So today we're gonna head up one side of this special place. Arena. Oh wait. Home sweet home. I'm gonna do something, man. Let's see. So we're going up this slope trying not to fall. Forget it. Tumble. I mean, I have to admit this is gonna be this is quite hard. I mean, like, come on, man. Right on target. Thank you, thank you. Don't even know what I'm doing. Oh, this. Ah, fuck! What's this? Oh! Oh, wait, I want to take a look at something. Ah, right. Found it, the bowling alley. How is there bowling pin here? Vroom! And here we go, bowling! Go! Kaboom! Wow. Let's go. Like I said, we are going to that special area. So now let's go. Oh wait. I kind of forgot all the areas. Oh yay! In this area you get a lot of different badges. So if you are a badge collector, I suggest coming to this game because it gives you a variety of badges. Like, I mean, come on, man. It's true. And you get stuck into a circle. So if you hit circles or marbles, I suggest you not playing this game. Okay, this is gonna be quite hard. Oh flip! I died. My will. Apparently you get badges for doing that. What's that? Alright. Yay! Oh, holy. Oh, okay, I'm gonna do that one. Yay! Did it! My very bad hobbies. You see why? If you are reading this, you're good at hobbies. Who says I'm very bad at hobbies? I mean, to be honest lah. I'm very bad at hobbies. To be honest, I'm very bad at hobbies. So I don't really like it. I don't like hobbies. That's why in the YouTube channel, you don't see me playing any hobbies. That's why, like I say, I hate them. What's this? When the was that? Wire pick. Oh. So apparently achieving some stages also gives you points to level up and sometimes gives you percentage, which I don't really understand. Wow. Okay, let's go to another one. Okay, let's go that one. Yay! Got it. Oh, I hate this one. Oh, flap. What did I just do? What did I just do? Oh, I didn't know they had a boat recently. Push the button. Push the button. Push the button. Tuggy. Wow. Tuggy. Tuggy. What kind of badge? Tuggy. I mean what? Tuggy. Tuggy. What kind of? You know. Badge is that? Oh, flag! I'm stuck. Help me, someone. You know where I'm going. Let's just go. That was quite rough. What's this? Seems interesting. Let's join. Join. Pinball, is it? Wow. Let me get out. Let me get out. Let me get out. Get out. I have no control of this. I am not pressing any buttons. And I'm really out of control. Okay, I'm going to the race. Don't really know what race. It looks interesting, huh? We go now. Like I'm already way ahead of them. Come on. Don't tell me I'm supposed to wait with them. Well, I hope I win. Wish me luck. This is a place where I've never been before. I have never been here before. I believe this is just the race map, where they make each other race, and I'm still the first. I'm the first. I'm so happy. Second, who's above me? Oh, first. Interesting. Going up. Not really going up. Just let me go. Yay. Final lap. Yay. Finally did it. I'm like, finally did it. I was like legit stuck down there. Like, I'm like, help, help, help. So I'm not so sure what I'm like doing lah. Just stuck down there. Go. And we win. I win. And I'm restarted. But at least I had fun, right? But at least we had fun. Oh, whoa, 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 okay. High. Tempo of the bean. I'm getting off. Playground, fun. Oh, flop! I just fell down the playground. I'm so scared. Childish thing. Playground pause. Level 6. Bean. Percentage 0. By the way, I played this game quite a couple of times. Basketball. Let's go basketball thing. Balling. Flap! Get me in. I'm so mad. Get me in. In. Rookie baller. Yes, of course. Rookie baller. Get in, get in, get in. That was close. Okay, this is the part where I do not want to fall down. 又是 again. Going. You know what I'm giving up. Don't want it. Giving up. I remember there was a secret entrance to a basement level which I can't really remember. Can't really remember where was it. I have to go around the map though. Ooh, a bridge. Let's go bridges, let's go bridges. Anyway, I think I should end the video here. Well, thank you all for watching my video. I hope you all had a fun time. And just let this video end, please. Oh, okay. I'm not going there. I'll see you all next time if I manage to find that basement entrance. And hopefully I will. Hopefully.